It's a me, a Mario. I'm just a kitty. This is the show we're about to be with the destiny. We're about to make
Pizza.
a pizza.
Going into Publix. Hey guys, we're gonna be making some homemade pizza. Gotta get some dough. Gotta get some pizza sauce. Mozzarella cheese. Yummy. Ooh, look at that dough. It has risen.
So for our ingredients for today, we have the most famous, a pizza dough. We have for the pizza, and we have for the garlic nuts. And to put it together, you need some extra light virgin olive oil. Next, you need our mozzarella cheese. Also, you need the pepperoni, boar's head. And to put it all together, you need the classico, traditional pizza sauce. And to make it all happen, you need all-purpose flour. And some Parmesan cheese. Let's do it. So, the first step is to chop the garlic. But why? Why are we gonna chop the garlic? We're making some garlic nuts. So what are you chopping, Destiny?
We're chopping fresh garlic.
Fresh garlic. So as you can see here, we are putting some flour on top of the wooden board.
And on our hands.
And on our hands. But the next step is you need the dough. So let's take it out of the packaging. It's very sticky.
That's why you put flour on your hands.
Oh, that's why. So do you think we need to...
You need to put some flour on your hands first.
Oh, okay. Put some flour on the hands. Just like that. Like LeBron James.
Yeah, get it everywhere.
Okay.
Cooking is messy.
Cooking is not messy if you don't make it a messy.
No, it's messy.
Okay, this is kind of crazy. It's not coming
You have to
off.
have more flour on your hands.
Oh, Papa Louie. Hey. So,
Now what? Italian chef?
Italian chef, come to me. I'll teach you the way.
You roll it in the flour.
Whoa, you got to roll it in the flour.
Okay, now what?
Now, what you do is you want to feel the dough. Feel the dough.
Yeah, knead it with your fingers.
Knead it like a cat. Okay, so as the dough is on the wooden board, you need to just take a little bit of this. You see it? And you want to do something like this. And we'll have a nice garlic knot, but just please stay tuned.
That's not a garlic knot.
So you make a garlic knot.
I don't know how to make a garlic knot.
You put the flour, and you know when you go to my Italian restaurant, you just do something like that. That's not bad.
But wait, I want to like make it fancy.
Okay, so let me teach you. So back in my day, my mama used to tell me, you roll the dough in your hand. And what you do is you kind of do a design and you make a knot. That's why it's called a garlic knot. So you put it like this, and then you just put it together like a knot. That's a garlic knot. That's a perfect. You see what I mean? That's a garlic knot. It's a knot.
Yeah, how'd you do that?
So let me teach you again.
Let me
So-
do it.
Okay, so you roll. No, not good. It's too long. You see, it's gonna break. You see this? It's gonna break. So let's
Put it back together.
let's put it back together. Okay. So good. Now let me teach you. You grab the dough with your hands, and you do some. The oven is heated. So you roll the dough, and that's not supposed to happen. You need to stop. Thank you. So, like I say, this is a beautiful, you see? And like you tie your shoe, you put it like this, you put it through the hole, and you got the garlic knot. This is so beautiful.
That's too small.
No. Let me teach you. You want to make them bigger?
Yeah.
We make a bigger one. So, we need some more flour. It's getting sticky. Roll it up, roll it up, roll it up, roll it up. Just like I teach you, mustachio. You gotta grab it. You put it together, and boom! That's a garlic knot.
Yeah,
That's a beautiful. Show our viewers. That's a beautiful. That's a garlic knot. You eat. Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Like this?
That's open your mouth. Ayoo!
Like this?
Beautiful. Check out her knot. What a beautiful knot.
Okay, but we have to make them the same size now.
That's
like
fine.
This.
Don't do it. We do
So
it
we
like
can put
this.
these two together.
What do you? She messed up my knot. Okay.
Mine looks great. Is that mine?
That's a beautiful knot. That's my knot. What is that? All right, we need to make them bigger. Yee-hoo! Okay. And you just do it. It's a quick. It's a boom. It's a Mario.
You're getting a little sloppy there.
It's okay. It's okay. Cooking is messy. This is fun. Let's make another one. It's a me, Mario. Okay. So, once a Papa Louie told me, I need some more flour.
Mine's not working.
We need more flour. Look, it's sticky. Yeah. Woo! Yes, me. You see? You gotta get it like this. You see?
I don't know how you're doing it so good.
I'm Italian. You speak like me.
I'm Italian.
You are not Italian. You are Americano.
You're from America too.
I'm off the boat from Italy. Look. Yahoo!
Dang it.
You gotta do it just like this. Oh! This is the perfect knot.
Alright, I'm gonna let you do it.
It's a me. So the next step, you put the oil on your hands. And then you touch the knots. And you make them more nice and oily. Just like this. So next step, you put the olive oil on top of the pan. And now you rub it. You give it a nice belly rub. And next, you put the garlic knot on top of the pan. So and now, we're gonna put the garlic knots inside the oven.
Putting them in the oven.
So what do we need for the garlic knots?
Some fresh parsley. Fresh, never frozen. And here's our wonderful sauce. So now, we're gonna add some more flour. Sprinkle.
So we're about to make a pizza. So I'm gonna take the dough out. Really? I need some flour.
Let me give you some fat, baby.
Oh,
Lightly. There you go.
There's flour on my nose. Okay. Now, remember last time this was sticky. So let me try to pull this out.
And we're making a square pizza.
Woo! Yes, we're not very Italian. We like a square pizza.
Sicilian pizza.
Sicilian.
Put in the flour.
Okay.
Alright, now we gotta
What are we gonna do?
do it like the pizza in the pizza shop.
So, we have here a pizza roller. Do you want to try?
We gotta knead it first.
Oh, we need to knead it.
You know what they do in the pizza shop.
Okay, not yet. Oh! Oh! Can I get to try?
Look at it. Look at that, baby.
Let me try.
I mean, maybe we can make a round pizza. Knead it. Knead.
A knead.
And flip.
Okay. Hey! There's like air bubbles inside of this.
Gotta get them out. But we gotta make it square.
It's a party. We're doing pretty good. Wow! This is a pizza!
Let's use the roller.
We use a roller.
Lordy.
Hey! She's making it looking good. I think that looks good. This is a pizza. Show our people. Hey! We dropped the pizza.
This is good.
Wow, that looks good. Do it like this. Mwah!
Okay.
All right. So what do we got here?
We got some classical pizza sauce. But I'm not just using that generic stuff. I'll make it good.
A tiny drop of sugar.
Tiny.
A tiny. Show us how you do it. Do it nice. What are you doing? Wow! That's a pizza sauce!
Hey!
I think the nuts are done!
I think they're done.
Show the viewers! Hey! So this is how we spread the garlic. Oh! That's looking good! Oh! Now
That's how you do it.
That's how you do it! Give me this. Mwah!
Mwah.
Mwah. Destiny, what do we got here?
Got some good looking garlic.
So now,
We're ready.
back to the pizza.
Pizza sauce.
Let's put the pizza sauce on top of the pizza dough. Oh! Now you need to spread it. Oh! I think that looks good.
Time for the cheese.
Oh! The mozzarella cheese! Hey! Mmm. You got a sprinkle. Hey!
Yeah, not messy, huh?
This is not messy. Oh! Oh! Now we need the pepperoni.
It's open right here.
Oh! How do you spread the pepperoni on a pizza? Not like that. You gotta do it like this.
From the outside in.
From the inside out.
It's gonna be great.
Oh! Look at this pizza. Let me get the one. Hey! Destiny, show the viewers the pizza pizza now.
No, we're not done.
We're not done yet.
Sprinkle a little bit more cheese.
Oh!
Yes, on top.
No.
I'm the master chef here.
Show the viewers now.
No.
Oh, no.
Some Italian seasoning.
Oh! Hey! We got the pizza. Is it done yet? No. What is this?
Now it's done.
Oh, show the viewers.
Hey!
It's a pizza.
Now it goes in the oven. Oh, we gotta put it on the tray.
Pizza.
Oh my god, these guys must smell bomb.
Oh, you heard it first. It's a bomb. Hey, look. Okay.
We just slide it on.
Oh.
Love this.
Oh. I don't know about that. We gotta grab together stuff. Yeah. Oh no. Put that back down here. No. Oh. Wow. This pizza looking good. All right, Destiny. Put it inside the oven. Wait, show your viewers. Hey, in the oven. So how long do you put the pizza in the oven? You take a look. You look at it with your eyes. And you know when it's perfect. Mwah. Oh, that's a pizza. See here, what we got here. Oh, come here. Oh, it's a pizza. So, we come to the conclusion. Now we have to rate 1 to 10. Let's try.
Wow, you just ate the whole thing.
Oh my God. That's amazing. So, what do you rate this?
A 10 out of 10.
A 10 out of 10. Let me try one more time.
So good.
Oh my God, it's a Mamma Mia.
That bite it has is so good.
Do a little bit of it. Mwah. Hey, this is a pizza. Please check this out.
Best pizza ever.
Now let's try. It was hot. Oh! Oh my God. What the? This is amazing. Taste that. Mwah! Oh my God.
I bet you got that. You gotta have some. We're gonna have to open up a restaurant.
Oh my God. This is good. Like, this is good. So, what would you rate this Destiny?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 again? Let me try. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Mwah. Mwah. So, signing off, this is Joey.
And I'm Destiny.
And this is how you make an Italian pizza and a garlic nuts. So if you could like,
Comment,
and subscribe, we'll bring you some more of the food. Thank you for tuning in. Mwah! And a goodbye. A peace.